If you're still serving plain white deviled eggs, you're doing it wrong. These are smoked deviled eggs, and they're the ultimate barbecue appetizer you can make any day of the week. Kate here, and I want to tell you, once you make smoked deviled eggs, you'll never go back. They're so easy to make. All we need to do is take these pre-boiled, pre-peeled eggs and get them on the smoker. We're using the Recteq Backyard Beast, and I'm gonna get my eggs put on to the grate. It's set at 200 degrees, and we're gonna let these eggs smoke for about 30 to 45 minutes. We're just looking for a darker color. They smell so good just as is, but we're going to make them even better. Who doesn't love a good deviled egg? Cut those eggs in half and then scoop the yolks into a separate container that we're gonna mix some good stuff into. Once you've got all your eggs cut and the pits into a different container, now we're going to make this extra delicious. We're gonna be adding in about a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons based off the flavor profile that you like of the Cattleman's Grill Ranchero. Just add that straight in. I chose this seasoning because it's really an all-purpose seasoning and everyone at the party is going to love this. You need a little bit of tang, so we're gonna be using Gluten Duty Honey Gold barbecue sauce. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of that in. And then, of course, the fat that's going to carry all of these delicious flavors. We're gonna go about a half a cup of the mayo, and this is for 18 eggs. Take your fork and just break that up and give it a really good mix. Other things you could add into this are some chopped up pickles or some bacon bits. I mean, the sky is the limit with your deviled eggs, so have fun with it. You can take the egg and try and scoop it in like so, but I like to put it in a bag, and then I can just simply pipe it into the shells. We've piped that filling in, and now, of course, I love a little bit of bacon. It is culinary glitter, so we're just gonna add some of that to these deviled eggs. And there you have it, a really easy, delicious way to elevate a deviled egg. All of the products we used you can find at www.barbecuepitstop.com or any of our locations. Check it out and try out the recipe.